Hey there, health enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered why walnuts are often called the king of nuts? Well, today I'm going to share with you why you should be eating walnuts every single day. First off, let's talk about heart health. Did you know that walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids? These are the good fats that help reduce inflammation and keep your heart ticking like a well-oiled machine. Studies have shown that just a handful of walnuts a day can significantly lower your risk of heart disease. Isn't that amazing? But that's not all. Walnuts are also a powerhouse when it comes to antioxidants. Antioxidants help fight off oxidative stress, which is a fancy way of saying they help protect your cells from damage. This means healthier skin, a sharper mind, and even a lower risk of certain cancers. Speaking of a sharper mind, walnuts are often called brain food for a reason. They're rich in vitamin E, folate, and those brain-boosting omega-3s. Regular consumption of walnuts has been linked to improved cognitive function and memory. So if you're looking to stay sharp as you age, walnuts are your new best friend. Now let's not forget about gut health. Walnuts are a great source of dietary fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps keep things moving along smoothly and can even aid in weight management. Plus, a healthy gut is linked to a stronger immune system. And if you're worried about calories, don't be. While walnuts are calorie-dense, they're also incredibly satiating. This means they can help keep you full and curb those pesky cravings. So you might actually end up eating less throughout the day. All right, now that you know all these incredible benefits, what's stopping you from adding walnuts to your daily routine? Whether you toss them in your salad, blend them into a smoothie, or just enjoy them as a snack, your body will thank you. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to live a healthier, happier life, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join our community here on the Ultra List, where we're all about spreading good vibes and great health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.